too busy to implement your video sequence? Well, so was Dean, until he kind of wasn't. And I just wanted to share this story with you quick because I do get it. And between like events you go to, work, every day, chaos, life, the last thing you want is feeling like you've got another thing on your plate, something else you have to do. But I wanted to tell you about this story. Okay, we were all at Laurel's live event, the Palooza event in September in Dallas, yeah? Energy was high, speakers were incredible. Wow, it was Nick and Laurel. Honestly though, everybody in that room, there's more than 50 of us, we were kind of feeling a little bit overloaded at the time. And we were kind of all dashing around the place as well, and we got, well, to be honest, it was overwhelming. But I wanted to share with you something that I experienced, because here is something that's a real reason that people don't move forward. I'm noticing all the time. Many people seem to think that results will come after they finally find time. The truth though, everyone's got the same 24 hours in the day. And the people who are winning are the ones who are actually acting inside like the chaos of everyday life, not on the outside of it where there is no outside, okay? Now, I want to tell you about Dean now, because this is the bit that I think would be fun for you. Now, we'd met Dean the month before, and we'd suggested to him he'd come to this event because he's really into all this kind of stuff. And he was staying at a different hotel. It was about a 14-minute walk away from the hotel where the event was. It was a really long day. I mean, the noise, people everywhere, overwhelming, okay? But we thought he was going to join us at the after event where just a few of us had been invited at Brandon's house that evening. And we were all looking forward to sharing the ideas and stuff and thoughts from the day, kind of making it, put it all into place. And obviously going to get a chance to meet up with Nick and Laurel at Brandon's house. Really looking forward to that. But he didn't show up at Brandon's house. And I was so surprised that I couldn't find him, because I knew he was here just as I was to try and spend some time with Nick and Laurel to find out more about what we could do, yeah? That's why we both were there. He'd paid to be there, So anyway, the next day, when we meet up at the next part of the event, I go, "Where did you go?" He said, "I went straight back to the hotel and I implemented the first 3 trainings, and then I just passed out on my keyboard." I fell asleep for 5 hours. So while the rest of us all like chatting and eating and having fun, Dean had made very powerful moves forward. Not because he had more time, but because he'd just made the decision to take what he'd learned there and then, just do it, get stuck in. And that is why he's ahead now. And this is why this works if you can do that, yeah? It's not about adding in hours to your day. It's actually about deciding where to put your time and making those minutes count with a real, clear framework and real support if you need it. So I was thinking, if you're ready to implement, even if life feels full right now, you can book in a call with me. And with me, I'll help you to map out how to move forward in small steps without burning out, doing the right things. And you could book in what I'm going to call a clarity call now. But you don't need more time, yeah? You just need to know how to use it effectively so you can get things running the way you want them to. And that's it. Simple as that.